Have you ever wondered how modern marvels operate so seamlessly? Think about the precise movements of a robotic arm in a factory, the smooth acceleration of a high speed train, or the steady temperature maintained by your home thermostat. Behind these feats of engineering lies the invisible hand of a control systems engineer. This essay takes you behind the scenes, exploring the world of control systems engineering. We'll delve into the role's intricacies, from the responsibilities we shoulder to the skills we hone. We'll examine the exciting environments we work in and the collaborative teams we're part of. Prepare to uncover the challenges and triumphs that color our days and discover the enticing career paths that lie ahead. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the unseen forces that shape our world. Control systems engineers are the architects of automation. We design, develop, and implement systems that govern the behavior of other systems. Our creations bring order to complexity, ensuring that machines and processes operate safely, efficiently, and reliably. Imagine designing the control system for an autonomous drone. We would determine the sensors needed to perceive the environment, the algorithms to process data and make decisions, and the actuators to control the drone's flight. From concept to implementation, we're involved in every step of the process. This intricate work demands a unique blend of technical expertise and problem solving skills, a strong foundation in mathematics, particularly calculus and differential equations, is crucial for understanding system behavior. Proficiency in programming languages is essential for writing code that brings our designs to life. We thrive on analytical thinking, dissecting complex problems into manageable components. And we're masters of systems thinking, always considering the interconnectedness of various components. But it's not all about technical prowess. Effective communication is paramount as we bridge the gap between technical concepts and practical applications. We collaborate with engineers from diverse disciplines, explaining our designs and incorporating their feedback. Our work impacts industries far and wide, from manufacturing and aerospace to robotics and energy. The work environments for control systems engineers are as diverse as the systems we design. We might find ourselves on a factory floor, optimizing the performance of an assembly line, or we could be in a research lab, pushing the boundaries of autonomous vehicle technology. Some of us work in the energy sector, developing control systems for power grids or renewable energy sources. The possibilities are endless. Collaboration is the lifeblood of our work. We interact with a wide range of professionals, each bringing their expertise to the table. Mechanical engineers design the physical systems we control, while electrical engineers develop the power and communication infrastructure. Software engineers play a crucial role in implementing our algorithms and user interfaces. This collaborative spirit extends beyond our immediate teams. We engage with clients to understand their needs, translating their requirements into technical specifications. We communicate with suppliers to source the right components for our systems. And we work closely with technicians and operators to ensure the smooth installation and operation of our creations. Section 4: The Allure and the Ache. Challenges and Rewards. Control systems engineering is not for the faint of heart. We face constant challenges that test our technical mettle and problem solving abilities. Debugging complex systems can feel like navigating a labyrinth, requiring meticulous attention to detail and a systematic approach. Integrating different components, each with its own quirks and specifications, can be a delicate balancing act. The ever evolving technological landscape demands continuous learning and adaptation. We must stay abreast of the latest advancements in automation, software development, and control theory. This requires a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to embrace new tools and techniques. However, the rewards of this demanding field are plentiful. There's an immense satisfaction in seeing our creations come to life, knowing that our work enables innovation and progress. The tangible impact of our contributions, from improving industrial efficiency to advancing medical technology, fuels our passion. And let's not forget the financial benefits. Control systems engineering is a highly sought after profession. commanding competitive salaries and excellent benefits packages. The demand for skilled engineers continues to grow, ensuring job security and ample opportunities for career advancement.